Hello everybody. We're poised and ready to introduce you to the lovely Fresh and Flowers box, English Country Fayre. I'm Mo Constantine and this is the lovely Michelle who, she does all the work and I like to take the credit.
And you're the co-founder of Lush, aren't you?
Co-founder of Lush.
Yeah. So this is obviously the July box on for kind of funny traditions that we have in English fairs. So obviously you have coconut shies and you have duck races and obviously chalk horses on hills. And we have rose queens. There's all sorts of things that happen in July, so this is kind of inspired by that. So first of all, I'd start with rose queen toner. So yeah, so if all the villages have their own rose queen, they get kind of voted on, but you have a parade through the streets as well, and lots of people dress as flowers, so that's really lovely. So yeah, it's a toner for your face. So I'm steaming with this one. So
okay.
I'd use it with hot water. Put it in and then put like the towel over my head and steam my face, but I'd also keep the water to wash my face and tone it with afterwards, so that's how I'm using this.
Lovely.
One, yeah.
You're going to pop it in to show how brilliant it is, so you can get all of that in the water without having to fiddle around and crumble anything or any swishing around. How lovely is it? Have you got some cornflower in there?
Little red cornflowers I've
red
found.
Cornflowers, how nice is that?
And then the next product I'd use is the Wilfra Tart cleansing roll. He's paraded through the streets, and then there's lots of musicians and good time people like just follow him and have a lovely, because you know when you watch the parades and stuff in the villages and stuff, so yeah, so they make tarts in this village and it's like made of apples and breadcrumbs and lemons, so
brilliant.
So you would just, for this you add a little water, make it into a little paste and then wash your face with it.
It feels lovely already, it's quite nice.
Yeah, it's a little bit exfoliating with the breadcrumbs as well, which is nice. Yeah. And obviously, you know, the apples have got malic acid in it, which help your skin.
Yeah.
The lemon is deep cleansing. So you did Angels on Fair Skin, didn't you?
It's a similar formula.
Yeah. Soapless cleansers, you normally call them.
Yes, I have called them that in the past. So we've got a whole range of those. People want to wash their face, but they don't want to use soap. And so these answer that need. So you can get a nice, you know, not even a lather, just a nice coating with something very gentle.
Yeah, it's got ground almonds in quite a lot, isn't it, as well? So
yes,
kind of makes a milk, doesn't it, as you wash your face.
Really nice.
Then the Kilburn chalk horse soap. So yeah, we have lots of chalk horses on England. We have obviously the Cern Abbas Giant as well, don't we? We have lots of different kind of.
I mean, for anyone who's not familiar with these are crazy English traditions that go back a long way. And when you're driving through the English countryside, you often come across like a horse or
you all have to stop the car. You're like, Dad, stop the car. I want to see the horse. I remember doing that as a child.
Yeah. But the Cern Giant is the naughtiest. So,
but the Kilburn one is the one where children race up here. And then they also have like a cart that goes through the street which has got lots of flowers that they've gathered from the village, and they have like a mayor and a mayoress that fine you for like if you've got a moustache or if you're carrying an umbrella that day, they fine you, and they obviously give the money. Yeah, they give the money to charity.
How naughty is that?
That's based on this one.
I imagine it's still going to smell grassy.
Yes. Coconut Shie face mask. So obviously I've taken coconut water, fresh coconut.
It's very coconutty.
Very moisturising, cleansing, lots of nutrients in, and it's got the same fragrance as the Coconut Drench, which is one of our massage bars.
This is lovely.
It smells amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah. And the nice thing about coconut is it's just so recognisable. So, you know, it's very mild on the skin. There we are, look.
It's not strange, you know what you're putting on your skin.
Yeah, you don't have to think, oh, I don't like that smell. You think, coconut.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And these are, again, the Coconut Shie, whether you have them all over the world in your fairs, country fairs or what, but I mean, you've probably seen it if you've not experienced it. You know, the coconut sits on a little stick and then kids normally throw wooden balls at them to knock them over.
You get like 3 wooden balls for £1.50 or something, don't you? And then you get to
I haven't done it since I was a kid, I don't know.
I've never been able to manage to hit one ever.
No.
But I've seen people do it, I'm like, how do you do that?
Yeah, so that's all the fun of the fair.
Yeah, coconut's very hydrating for your skin, so really, really nice to put on.
Yeah, it's obviously
me.
So
St Swithuns Day happens in July, so St Swithuns Day, if it rains, then for the next 40 days it will rain, or if it's sunny, it will be sunny for the next 40 days. So you've got a little rain cloud and you've got a little sun for the other eye, so depending what happens on St Swithuns Day.
I mean, I know it's cold, but
you can obviously put your face mask on and then relax with your chilled eye pads. And
That's
it
all
will
very lovely.
cooling and reduce swellings around your eyes. Yeah, it's got carrageenan in it, so that's
Really
the
lovely.
hydrating part.
Yeah.
Lots of villages with their own river through the village, their own duck race, so you get plastic ducks. Yeah, I'm putting them on my hand in order. So there's a 1, 2, 3, if you can see. There's a 1, 2, 3, and then I lower them because I face the duck face that way, and I lower my hand in the bath.
I've done everything wrong
and
then.
race them.
Okay, do
Yeah.
that then.
So that's what I do with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I lower them down, and then in the bath they like whiz off in different directions. In a bowl they kind of go round and round in circles.
Yeah.
But in a bath they go. So the flowers for the box.
Yes, tell us about
So
this
the flower
lovely
stock.
thing.
So Mab from Oxford Street came down and she helped like pick the flowers. So they're all from Kerry Garden. So yeah, country,
these lovely.
country wildflowers.
Yeah.
And yeah, we just walked around and we picked different flowers. That we
Lavender
thought might work in
and-
the box. Lavender and clover.
Dog
There's some
daisy.
thyme in there.
That's cornflower, isn't it?
Daisies and yeah, like
And it smells of.
catnips.
Yeah. Yeah, very nice.
Curly docks in there. Yeah, all sorts.
Yeah.
So your bunches will probably look different from each other's. So we'll gather lots of different ones and then put them together.
Just in a small vase of
Yes.
water, and they'll last for.
I like filling
quite
it,
a few
refilling
days.
my water every day to clean the water and then keep them a bit more fresher. So
Yeah.
that's how I do with mine, yeah. Or you could just scatter them in your bath. We get them made the day before it gets sent to you, so it's that fresh, isn't it?
It's absolutely amazing. Yeah. So
I worked in the fresh room when I first started, and it was like you make the stuff and you send it to the shops that
Yeah.
day.
Well, yeah, the fresher the better. So we try and enhance the effects of all our products with some fresh stuff and some real, interesting ingredients.
And that's it for July. So I hope you enjoy this box and we'll see you next time. Look at us all. You're fine. We're all like getting poked by twigs and all sorts.